is actually pretty creative. Just in a relationship, as it goes, I feel like everything should have limits.
Yep.
So, who knows? Maybe I might be a social influencer myself after this.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
I tell you what, him having done this has paved the way for a lot. I'm now thinking about this. Maybe I should find me a wife in Ethiopia. Maybe I should take a wife from here and just enjoy life in Ethiopia. There's a lot happening in Ethiopia. I didn't know this was happening in Ethiopia. Well, thank you, Dink TV, for showing us this unforgettable journey. It was actually posted on 27th of December, 2024. It was posted like last year.
Nice job, team.
And I'm only finding out 10 days later, New Year's. But guess what? I'm gonna make sure I share this story. I need everybody to watch. Hey, this is what's happening in Ethiopia. Hey, they're actually taking things to the next level.
Bruh, chill.
No more hiding around, arranging things that, yo, oh, it's going. Now, it's the first time I'm seeing it. I didn't watch the whole thing. I only watched the little snippets on TikTok. So, we're going to be touching down the connection of Ethiopia, its unique perspective on love, relationships. Yeah, we're going to get into it. One thing I'm going to say is, it's going to be my first time watching it right now. So, if I pause a little bit more, I want you to bear with me. But yeah, I know in my culture, we've seen Arnett Amoli's try and find love on YouTube, where you pop the balloon or you find somebody that you like. And it actually has been, it's been an entertaining perspective, watching people, you know, actually just pop the balloon, or if they find somebody attractive, you know, they say, hey, I like you. It's been a unique experience trying to watch somebody actually do it while people are watching you, millions of people reacting to your videos. It takes courage. It takes a lot of guts. Now, having said that, we're talking Ethiopia here. Habesha. I'm Eritrean. Eritrean and Ethiopians, we have one thing in common, and that is we like to keep our love a little bit private. We don't talk about these things. We don't do online love where somebody goes on a date trying to find out. Like that. That's not a thing that's common. It may be happening. Bear with me. It may be happening, which I'm not aware of. I'm here to learn today. I'm here to learn and see. You know, this is a new experience for me. I ain't seen this, so we gotta get into it. I'm not gonna say too much, just so I don't spoil the buzz for y'all. But let's get into it. And hey, the real video, if you want to watch the entire video on your own without this reaction, I'm gonna give the credit. They're called Dink TV. I'm gonna put a link below, just so that, you know, I might get hit with copyright. Again, it's not my video. I'm just making a reaction. I'm gonna give the credit where credit's due. It's not my video. I'm just making a reaction to it. All right, let's get to it.
Diaspora Habesha out here on a mission. What's so hard to understand? You guys seen Coming to America. This is Coming to Africa. All right, I'm looking for a wife. I'm looking for true love. So honestly, if I can find that in this experience, I'm more than thrilled. So I can't wait to see all these beautiful women and get to know them personally.
He trying to find love in Addis Ababa. Okay. Meet the ladies. Bethlehem. Rahel Tedros. Yo, they're fine. Heaven Tesfai. Vivian. She's an actress. Salam Bekalo. Oh, I love her tattoos. Adele. We're gonna speed it up just so that we're not stuck here. We're gonna speed it up a little bit faster. Jordanos. Alright. So it's called Lately. Try looking for love. No way that's Addis Ababa. Is that actually Addis Ababa? Produced by Abisalom. Bobby Yehidago. Oh, okay. Yo, the camera action is amazing. Camera action is something else. Whoever, let me see who did it. Let me read down below. It's got to be done by some professionals. Okay, our bachelor is right there.
For me, I'm a 37-year-old father, single at that. Raising my son, I'm loving it. As far as work goes, I'm working in the insurance industry. It's not easy, but it's good work. I love to travel. It's one of my favorite things. And it's just a ball of experiences in my life. So, born and raised in the city of Dallas, Texas.
Born and raised in Dallas, Texas. He's from the US of A. Hey.
And I'm very proud Texan. We have a certain slang and certain things that we say instead of you all, we'll say y'all. And we have these different just sayings. Just growing up in Texas brings you a different pride. Everything is bigger in Texas. You guys know this. So we'll keep it that way.
What you mean? You already tell. You're a good vibe, dude.
Being an Habesha, learning Amharic in America is broken up a little bit. Again, so that's one thing that it taught me, determination, dedication. That's why I'm here.
Period. Period. Meet the ladies. Alright, we're gonna see the ladies. Her name is Idil. She was born in Harer. I don't know what that is. I hope you can read the subtitles, right? Am I blocking the view? Because I don't want to be the guy blocking the view, right? Like, hold on. Maybe I'll move myself out the way just so y'all can read, you know? I don't want to block the view, right? Alright. Oh, she graduated in college? Alright, let me move this up a little bit.
ስሜ ራሂል ቴድሮስ ይባላል የተወለድኩት አዲስ አበባ ጨርቆስ የሚባል ሰፈር ነው በፍቅር የተሞላበት አካባቢ
She was raised in a loving and respectful community. Oh, she's dancing all right. That's called Skista, by the way, for y'all don't know. I also don't know much about Ethiopia, so.
አዲስ አበባ ነው ተወልጄ ያደኩት ሶስት ወንድሞች ጋር ነው ያደኩት everyone says like እኔ ቀብጬ ነው ያደኩት ምናምን ይባላል but no it's not
God damn, they're so fine.
it's actually the opposite.
Let me just look at something real quick. Flight to Addis Ababa, Edmonton. See how much it costs. Y'all understand? 2 stops. How much does it cost though? We don't want to fly cheap, like, right? So let me see how much it costs. Let me see how much it costs, buddy. Like, we need to find this out. Like, this is not even a joke right now. Alright, we don't want the cheapest. We want an alright flight. Okay, so we're looking like, oh, it's like $1,500-ish. Okay, let's go watch the video. It's like $1,500, guys. If y'all thinking like what I'm thinking, then we might need to go to Addis Ababa.
The type of woman I'm looking for, you know, is just like a well-rounded woman, like a complete woman, confident, carries herself with charisma, keeps a smile on her face, even through anything, because I do. So it's really important to me to have like a go-getter mentality, as well as, of course, looks. I mean, you can't even get to the second step without being physically attracted. So that's a given. Habesha women are all beautiful. That's what I believe. I've never had any doubt in my mind about that. But there are qualities that can make one shine more than the other.
He PR trained. You know what they call PR trained? He knows what he's saying. He probably went through this theory. Like, he probably said this to himself. Like, hey, this is what I'm going to do. You know, you practice yourself on the mirror and say, this is what I'm going to do. He's so good at this. I've only watched him for like 4 minutes and I'm like, yeah, he going to get his wife for sure. Because all the women are beautiful, quite frankly. In my opinion, and that's like a fact, judging from the way he's saying they're all beautiful. I can tell you they're all beautiful. Who is he gonna pick though? I think this is an ad. Is that an ad? Oh, there it is. We're meeting our women right now. There we go. My goodness. Breakfast. Oh, the girl with the nice tattoos. Some of them are like actresses. Some of them are like designers. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be a difficult choice. I feel bad for how you gonna choose. Okay. So this is where they meet the bachelor then, after having breakfast. Intros, eh?
እሺ ስሜ ሄርሜላ ሳሙኤል እባላለሁ ሞዴል እና ሜካፕ አርቲስት ነኝ
She a makeup artist.
ላይፌ ላይ ትልቁ ቫልዩ እኔ ነኝ ማለት እኔ ነኝ ስልክ በቃ ራሴን መሆን እንዴት ልበልክ
True to myself.
እኛ መሆን ሰክሰስ መሆኔ ምናምን የኔ ደስተኛ መሆን የኔ ሰክሰስ መሆን በጣም ብዙ ሰዎችን ስለሚያሳስባቸው መጀመሪያ እኔ እንጃ ራሱን የሚወድ ሰው ሌላ ሰው ይወዳል ወይ?
I live for myself. I'm true to myself.
ብዬ አላስብምና
Good for you, girl.
መጀመሪያ እኔ ነኝ።
ኦኬ ሞዴሊንግ እና ሜካፕሽን ምንድነው የሳበሽ ወደሱ?
የሳበኝ ሞዴሊንግ ላይ ቆንጆ ሉክ ስላለኝ ነው የገባሁት። ሜካፕ ደግሞ በጣም እጠበባለሁ። ላይክ ያየሁትን ነገር አመጣዋለሁ ነው የሚባለው። ሉኩን ስለማመጣ ጎበዝ ነኝ በጣም።
ኦኬ ምን ላይ ትሰራለሽ? ላይ ቲቪ ላይ ኮሜርሻል ላይ ትሰራለሽ ወይስ?
እስካሁን በጣም ትልልቅ ስራ አልሰራውም። ፋሽን ሾው ምናምን
እየተማርሽ ነው ገና ያለሽ?
ኖ እየሰራሁበት ነው።
እየሰራሽበት ነው? ኦኬ ኦኬ
የስቴጅ ስራዎች ላይ ነው የምሰራው።
I hope you guys can read the subtitles.
ነገር ሞክራለሁ ብለሽኝ ነበረ።
በጣም
Oh, she can sing as well.
እንዳደነግጡ ስዘፈን እና ሞክራለሁ ድምጽ።
Oh, she can sing.
So ቆረጠለት ወይ ሰረንዴት ነው አረንዴት ነው በሉ ሰረንዴት ነው
What? There's gotta be an attitude.
ወይ ፍቅሩ ሰረንዴት ነው ስንገባገብ አሃ ስናፍቀው አሂ የዘገየው ያኔስ ነገር አሃ እንዴት አሂ ሆኖ ታየው። Thank you.
Oh my God. Uh-oh.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Oh, thank you.
Uh-oh.
እሺ ስምሽን አስተዋውቂ።
ስሜ ሎኤል ባህይሉ ይባላል። በሆቴል ማኔጅመንት ተመርቄያለሁ። አይደለም ልመረቅ ነው ግን ኦልሬዲ ተመረቅኩ ታሪክ።
She's in hotel management. Okay. Haset Kailu. I'm gonna follow them all on Instagram. Let's follow this story.
Like ሰዎች sometimes.
And y'all should too. Y'all should follow them from this point on. Let's make them all famous. It takes a lot of courage to do this in Habesha community. You don't understand. Even dating is all in secrecy. People out here hiding and dating, and they don't even want to spill their beans. They're like, "We're dating." You're like, "Only when I get married, I'll introduce you." What? Yo, this takes a lot of courage. That means Ethiopia is far into the like. I've never been there, but this is something I did not expect. I've only seen this in like Arleta Muli, Finding Love, Pop the Balloon, and I'm like, and now seeing this.
ወድቀው ምናምን ሳገኝ ራሱ መርዳት እንፈልጋለሁ በአይካን ስላልተማርኩበት ፈርስት ኤድ አሁን ለመማር ወስኛለሁ እና ፒፕልስን ለመርዳት በጣም
A kind woman who can help out her community is like she's giving back. She has that heart in her. So of course she's going to care for the children that she has. Not only is she looking out for other women or other people in general, I believe that quality in a woman is sincere. So seeing that kind of brings me closer to a person because I have that kind of warm heart myself. So to see that kind of quality is amazing.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, that question been asked before. Do you think it's better to love or to be loved? And somebody asked me this one time. She said, "Do you think it's better to be loved or to love?" And she had an answer for both. I feel like it was a trick question. Whatever I said, she was ready. Also, I failed. I'll tell you, I failed.
If it's mutual ከሆነ ደስ ይላል። አፍቃሪም ተፈቃሪ መሆን ግን በአንድ ሳይድ ብቻ ከሆነ ትንሽ ከበድ ይላል።
Okay.
Mutual ካልሆነ ከባድ ነው።
You know what? Let me see if I can change the subtitle into. Oh, it's not. Oh, you can. Okay.
መጎዳት ምናምን አለው እንደ ፊልሙ ማለት ነው።
ስለዚህ ከባችለሩም አሁን እንደዚህ ነው የምትጠብቂው ማለት ነው?
መጀመሪያ ደረጃ እግዚአብሔርን የሚፈራ ሪስፔክት ያለው ለፋሚሊዎችም ለኔም ሪስፔክት ያለውና በቀላሉ ተግባቢ የሆነ ሰው I would prefer እንደዛ አይነት ሰው ቢሆን። ሁለታችንም አትራክትድ መሆን አለብን።
እሺ thank you so much በጣም እናመሰግናለን። እሺ
right now በአርኪቴክቸር ተመርቄያለሁ። የግል ስራ ሰራለሁ ግን mainly I'm focusing on content creation.
Content creator.
On social media, I talk about skin, I talk about hair, I talk about almost anything I want on it. And for the future, what I want to do is more like expand ማድረግ and hopefully የኔ platform for good መጠቀም. That's what I really want to do.
It's a little hard for women who are social influencers to spend time off influencing. You know, they're on their phone 24/7, wherever you go, it's a vacation, whatever, you're on camera. I've been in one of those relationships where not knowing you're always on camera. You're like, yo, cut the camera, like, let's be present in the moment.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Dude wants a wife. He don't want an Insta model. He wants a wife. Okay, buddy. Okay.
It's not to say, oh, my sister's an influencer. She's an amazing woman. She knows when to turn stuff off and on, be that person, be that character.
Why did he have to throw his sister on it? Come on, bro. Don't do that to the sis. Stand for your sis, bro. You have to say, oh, my sister, content creator, but no shade, no shade.
That the people want to see, as well as be able to be a great, wonderful person that's beautiful inside and out. So I can't shun a woman from that.
Right.
She's a social influencer, and it's something that I think is actually pretty creative. Just in a relationship, as it goes, I feel like everything should have limits.
Yep.
So who knows? Maybe I may be a social influencer myself after this.
I tell you what, him having done this has paved the way for a lot. I'm now thinking about this. Maybe I should find me a wife in Ethiopia. Maybe I should take a wife from here and just enjoy life in Ethiopia. There's a lot happening in Ethiopia. I didn't know this was happening in Ethiopia. Well, thank you, Dink TV, for showing us this unforgettable journey. It was actually posted on 27th of December, 2024. It was posted like last year. And I'm only finding out 10 days later, New Year's. But guess what? I'm gonna make sure I share this story. I need everybody to watch. Hey, this is what's happening in Ethiopia. Hey, they're actually taking things to the next level. No more hiding around, arranging things that, yo, oh, this gonna be, it's going. Watch my TikTok after this. I'm gonna share this thing all, yes.
ስሜ ሳራ ሀሰን መሐመድ ይባላል። ምናልባት ድንቅ ላይታችን ሊሆን ይችላል። እንደ ጊዜ 25 ዓመቴ ነው።
Oh, she's actually the host for the TV. Yeah, oh, I see.
I like እንትን ወጣ ብሎ ከጓደኞች ጋር አንድ ሁለት
She's got very vibrant energy, like you could tell.
አንዳንድ ጊዜ, you know, life is so stressful, so like አካባቢክ stress የማይሰጥ ሰው ካለ it's nice, and especially with alcohol you don't care, you're like whatever. እኔ እዚህ ቀረብ ለምን እኔ ልክፈል? Yes. እሺ በጣም አመሰግናለሁ።
Taking it back. The beat bumps your feet, stomp here, tall and proud. You speak nice to people.
Yo, all eyes on me. All eyes on me, buddy. Oh. She's serving everybody.
አያቴ ናት ያሳደገችን ከ2 ዓመቴ ጀምሮ። አያቴ I think አንዳንድ ጊዜ ሳስበው እድለኛ ነኝ በሷ እጅ ማደጌ። ጠንካራ ሴት ነበረች። 5 ልጅ ይዛ ከተፋታች በኋላ በራሷ እንትን ብላ ተምራ ከዛ በኋላ ስራ ይዛ ዛነሱን እንትን ብላ ከዛ ደግሞ እኔን አሳደገችኝ። I think ለሴት በዛ ሰዓት ደግሞ ይሄን ያህል opportunity አልነበረም። and it's like ያሳያል ጥንካሬዋን ምንም አይነት ነገር ሊሚት እንዳላረጋት። So yeah.
So when I lost...
Yo, kudos to you, man. Shout out to you and your family. Well done. Well done. You represent your family really well. Much respect for you. What a beautiful tattoo that you got, by the way. I appreciate someone when they show strength and in memory of their family that they had to be strong. What a wonderful woman. She's a vibrant energy. I'm telling you, she's going to be fire for the show.
My father, it was one of the toughest times I went through in my life. It was right after my birthday. I was in college. I got a phone call last few weeks of my second semester. And when I got that phone call saying, hey, just go ahead and come to Dallas, send all your stuff or sell all your stuff from Atlanta, move back. It was so traumatic. I was like, why would my family tell me to do this? I got 2 weeks left of school. What's going on with dad? It's better you should just come. Shortly after I came, my dad passed within the week. And for me, it was so traumatic. I never had any, like, you know, a chance to really talk to him because he had tubes and stuff. It was very, very tough for me because I lived through that over and over again. I had a lot of regret. I felt like maybe if I was a better son, there's a lot of resentment. I beat myself up over it, but I know my father wouldn't have wanted that. So my whole family was going through a big depression. My dad was like the backbone of the family. So I needed him more than ever at that age. I had a 2-year-old son. His guidance meant so much to me. His wisdom was everything to me. And losing him was very tough, but it was a turning point in my life. I had to realize, hey, you're the man of the house now, step up. You gotta take care of all these women that are there, your sisters, your mother, especially like not just financially, but mentally, morally. Be there, guide them, show them that you're your father's son, and embrace your upbringing. So I started dressing different. I started talking different. I started making sure that I'm being the best version of myself in honor of my father. So it was the toughest time in my life, but I think it turned me into a man at a young age. Oh, my son, that's the joy of my life. Noah, he's 15 now. We kind of grew up together almost. It forced me to mature at a young age. It's a blessing. It's one of the biggest things that I'm
They look like brothers. They look like brothers, what?
Proud of in my life, and it's the greatest bond I have. Raising a son was not an easy task. Luckily for me, I had family support. My mother, my sisters, my brother. Everyone was out there trying to show me their support, and I really appreciate that, because without that, I don't think I'd be able to do what I'm doing right now. At the same time, being in your early 20s, challenging, but I wouldn't trade it for the world.
Cheers. ለሁላችንም ለደስታችን
Happiness, health, and hair and skin.
May it never get old.
Okay. They're just pure fire.
ስሜ ፌቨን ተስፋ ይባላል። እድሜ 23 ነው። የትውልድ ሀገሬ ጅቡቲ ነው። ያደኩት እስከ 8ኛ ክፍል ሀረር ከተማ ላይ ከአያቶቼ ጋር ነው ያደኩት። ክረምት ላይ most of the time አዲስ አበባ ነበር ማሳለፈው። ከዛ
Oh, she is pretty. She is pretty. Goodness me. 23. Damn. Ma'am, you are pretty. You are fine.
ከ8 ወደ 9 ሳልፍ ወደ አዲስ አበባ ገባን።
ወደ አዲስ አበባ ገባን
መኖር ጀመርኩኝ። በአጠቃላይ የኔ ልጅነት በጣም ፈን ነበረ ብዬ መግለጽ እችላለሁና ይሄን ይመስላል የኔ አስተዳደግ።
ቀጣዩ ተወዳዳሪያችን ስለራስሽ እስቲ አስተዋውቂ።
ስሜ ቪቪያን አሚር እባላለሁ። ከኤርትራ ነው የመጣሁት። ባል አስመራ ነኝ።
ባል አስመራ አላብዚ ባል አስመራ guys, I didn't even know that.